important cause of death in India. Brain attack is a new concept which is just like heart attack. People know that when blood supply to the heart comes down, they get pain in the heart and they run for treatment. Same way, brain attack or stroke is a medical emergency. People, those who get stroke, should also run for treatment. Brain attack is so common that every common person should know about it. So Dr. Venkatramana has written a book on this brain attack. This book is a comprehensive this book comprehensively covers what are the causes, what are the types of stroke, what are the treatment, including emergency treatment, medium term, long term treatment, and its preventive measures in a very simple, understandable language. The language is so simple that every common man can understand. Every people, not just a patient of stroke, should read this book to understand what is stroke or what is brain attack, what to do, how to identify a brain attack, how to live with brain attack for a long time. Once a patient gets brain attack or stroke, there is a high chance that they will get another brain attack. About 25% of the times they are likely to get another brain attack. So patients, particularly of the medium to large strokes, they should read this book to understand their own disease, how to prevent it further, and then they can easily understand what doctor is telling to them. So they can understand also what treatment they are getting, how the treatment whatever they are getting is helpful for them. So all these components are comprehensively written in this book. I would strongly suggest not just a stroke patient or the relative, but every common man to go through this book, read this book, understand the disease, and if possible, follow the preventive measures written in the book. Thank you.